Hi there, how are you today, my love? My name is Melih. I'm a magician of my life, and today another day on of Earth traveling chapter. I don't know what really. Going with the flow, as I'm in Thailand, Prachuap, Khiri, and I'm going through such a deep transformation, such a deep awakenings in the raw. And Pluto, very plutonic. Last night I had some sort of consequences, like some sort of synchronicity of from the divinity that might possibly seem to be shadowy, but as integrated as myself, as much as I was able to integrate into my transformation this synchronicity of shadow that I have experienced, and somehow I got lost. I got lost. I'm lost. Like synchronicity was, I became lost to find who I am, and I rented this motorbike. I was looking for places to connect shamanistically to my rituals over here. Multi-dimensional awakening we are going through over here, my love. And as I had to stay outside because I got lost. I couldn't find where I was staying, and I stayed outside. It became such activation, like air element activation. I went through. I felt my whole body been activated through muscles stretching, flexing up and stretching out. I stretch. There is a stretching in. Stretching is gateway. The universe, which is you and me, all of us, is the gate holders into all dimensions and parallel realities. And as I came here last night, I mean, not I slept somewhere more light. Serious soul family with us. Holy man. Serious soul family with us. Dogs, like dogs. So too many dogs. They are serious soul family members I have over there. And as I got here early in the morning, like as the sun rising up, I came here under that tree. Behind this building, under that there's a tree. I was doing my rituals, meditating, shamanistically, stretching, watching the sun as rising up, because I needed that life force energy to charge it up. And synchronistic enough, my phone was died. Therefore I said I couldn't, like I can't. I went with the flow since last night, and the flow got me into this synchronicity, which is such a divine, which I see myself in reflection through the synchronicities that I attract within the others and within the all energies and situations. Holy man, such awakening. And I was sitting there, the monk brought me 2 hot meals. Water. One was chicken. I ate that, like rice, chicken, water. They brought me 2 full of, maybe he gave his own meal. I'm like, that's the abundance. That's the abundance of the shit. I was chilling down to tree, connecting, channeling from the cosmos, and Earth Angel came to me and brought me 2 full meals, and I gave him my phone. My phone died, and I gave him my phone to put in charge. So he charged up to 64 percentage. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe some sort of synchronicity in there, I don't know. And I'm so appreciated. It is so divine. This is so divine. Very, very plutonic. Very plutonic. There is Ka. There will be horse and Ka. My first friends in magician school, like in magician school physical land, will be Ka and horse. I channeled that. Ala Bobby ya, ne yapıyorsun? Ala Bobby çalışıyor ya, Bobby'ye bak. Ne yapıyorsun Bobby? Esalla. Ne yapıyor la Bobby? Bobby çalışıyor. Minik Yıldız leader start working over there, I think. That's it, my love. Such awakening, it was massaging to the self, nourishing my vessel very well, whatever needed supercharged. And right now, I love to go to healing massage session from another. It's been quite a bit. Like a squeezing to stretch, some sort of intentionally, professionally massage way of being. I love that. I'll see you somewhere around there. Indian. Olur ya, niye olmadın? Hala babil ya. Subconscious. Working through all dimensions. How are you today, my love?